start with magic ring and make single crochet 8 times and slip stitch the last. The second round I make 2 chain and double crochet increase in each stitch, and next make the third row start with 2 chain and make double crochet and double crochet increase, make in back loop only. The fifth row start with 2 chain, double crochet in back loop only, double crochet and increase back loop only. Start with 2 chain and make double crochet in each stitch. Next round, make 1 chain and skip 1 stitch and make front loop only, double crochet, 6 double crochet. Next, skip 1 stitch here and make slip stitch, skip 1 stitch and make double crochet, front loop only, 1 chain and 2 single crochet and 2 chain and 3 single crochet again, 1 chain, single crochet 3 times, 2 chain and single crochet 3 times, slip stitch. Start with make magic ring and 2 chain, 15 double crochet in the ring. The second row start with 2 chain and make double crochet increase in each stitch. Third round start with 2 chain and double crochet increase, make double crochet and double crochet increase. Next, the fourth round, 2 chain and make double crochet back loop only. Start with the first stitch, back loop here. The fifth round until the chain round, do the same pattern, 2 chain, 3 chain and the front post double crochet. See here, make the star start with magic ring and make 5 single crochet in the ring and slip stitch and make 3 chain, make single crochet, second stitch, make half double crochet and next stitch make slip stitch. Make the same 5 times around the window. Start with magic ring, make single crochet, 1 chain, single crochet 6 times in the ring, make 1 chain and single crochet increase. I have 12 stitch around here. Next, chain yarn to brown and make back loop only, slip stitch. I finish slip stitch around. Next, make slip stitch in the middle here, this side and middle here. I show you how to make door. Start with slip knot and make 5 chain, make 4 single crochet and make 3 single crochet increase, make 4 single crochet. Start the second row, 1 chain, turn work and make 4 single crochet, make single crochet increase 3 times, make single crochet 4 times, turn work, 1 chain and turn work, make 4 single crochet, make single crochet and single crochet increase, 4 single crochet and make slip stitch around.